welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a little bit more exciting and special for me because I just got a new package and ta-da! I've been wanting one of these for so long, and this is like a little gift for myself during this quarantine to have a little bit of excitement added to my daily life, boring quarantine life. So today we're gonna be unboxing some Paul Rubens Watercolor set. Wait. It's so cute. Also be sure when you receive packages in these times to always sanitize the packaging and also your hands. You wash your hands after receiving this. And also thank you to the Kuya delivery guy for doing his job in these times of days. Thank you, Kuya. Just to know, this watercolor set is probably the first ever watercolor. I don't know if Paul Rubens is a professional watercolor or artist grade, but this is by far the most expensive watercolor set I will ever own in my whole life. Well, not really. I'm planning to buy more. I'm starting off with this Paul Rubens because I've always seen this watercolor set online and I've always loved the pink colors and the blues and the... Okay. Look at that packaging, it's so cute. Like, all those days of sitting on my bed thinking of very sad thoughts, and now I have this and I'm already happy. It's like, yeah, thanks. Again, another last look at the packaging. It's so cute and it's so aesthetic. You can see here the brand, the iconic mark. It says here, the camera is shaking. Artist transparent watercolor and fine artist watercolors. What other? Yeah, that's about it. And I've also was planning to shoot this at night, but like Shopee asks for what's this word? Order confirmations and then ratings right after I received this, so I couldn't wait until night. So also I was very excited, so I couldn't wait, so like I need to do this. So here we go. So I'm gonna open this and I can't believe I have a Paul Rubens watercolor set. I'm so happy. It comes with this very cute fabric, and you know those kinds of fabric that you use to wipe your glasses with. That's weird, but to come in a watercolor set, but so cute. Wait, no, stay there right there for the aesthetic. Yeah. So I'm gonna open this and see if there's any damage or ooh. Wait. Oh, it's this. It has this like... Yeah, it's so cute. And color chart, and so here it is. That's a lot of colors, although I can't read it. Yeah. Oh, there's the color chart. I mean the swatch card. Wait. There's supposed to be 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Nothing missing. Oh wait, I can detach this. Wait. Can I? Ooh, I can. One of the benefits of having long nails. But I seriously need to cut them one of these days because that's dirty. Long nails is not healthy these days. Colors activate so fast. I'm loving it. Oh wait, no, not too much. I don't want to waste precious money. Wait. Ooh, that's so pigmented. So yeah, I just got back from having breakfast, and now the paints have dried. So here is what they look like. This one kind of dried light, and the orange one looks really bright. It kind of gives off this, it kind of gives off a neon neon color thing going on in person, but I don't know if the camera can catch that. Also, I really love this purple. These two combined it looks very good. This purple is very pigmented, and here's the black. Payne's gray is very pretty. This one too. Kinda dried with texture, but I guess that was because of the I put too much water on my brush. So far, the colors look really good, and I have really high expectations for them. And I guess I'll end the video here. This is just kinda like a first impressions and swatch kind of thing. I know it's not much, and probably from my rambling that this wouldn't end up becoming a very good video, so I'm planning on making a more in-depth review coming soon, yeah, with a painting demo, so I can really test out these paints on really painting something, how they perform painting. So that's it. Some parts might not be really understandable because I'm just rambling because I was too excited. I still am right now, but I'm kinda more calm. So thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and please hit the like or subscribe if you want to see more of me, my awkward self and my awkward videos. And please look forward to the in-depth review of this Paul Rubens Watercolors. And see you guys next time. Bye bye!